When you download that project from Video Hive, you will have several folders. First of all, open that folder Help. Inside that Help folder, you will have README file. Open that README file. Inside that README file, you can find all important information which help you customize that project, like small instruction how to use that project and link to font which we use in that project. Same way, here you can find link to music which will perfect fit for that project. Same, here you can find link to YouTube package by Braxo. And now open folder project and open that file in After Effects. In After Effects you will have several folders. In folders edit here you can find all necessary composition. So here you will have composition with like and subscribe, with call to action, with link and social media. Same here you will have all previews. When you open that composition, here you can check all preview of all like and subscribe which available on that project. To start using that project, import your content inside After Effects, double click on that panel, choose media which you would like to use, like logo, sound or video, and import in that project. And now create new composition, new 4K resolution composition, choose duration which you would like to use, add your media which you would like to use in your composition. And now open all preview composition, choose call to action which you would like to use. So for example, I would like to use that one, call to action number 3. Open edit here folder, call to action number 3. And just drag and drop that call to action inside your composition. You can change duration of that call to action. Just use that out marker to change duration. To edit the text and colors, you will need open that call to action composition. Inside each composition you will have text layer which you can change and control layer which help you customize color. Choose control layer, open effect controls, you can lock this layer. Here you will have controllers which help you change position of like and bell. If you would like edit. And here you can change color. In case you would like use blue one. To edit this text, choose text layer and just type your text here. To edit this text, here you will have text number 1. Same way, just choose this text layer and type your text. If you would like change font of your text, unlock that text layer, choose all text layers and choose font which you would like to use. Same way you can edit all composition in that project. So for example, I would like add change duration of call to action number 3. I would like add link to my composition. Same here, I can change duration of this link composition. To edit this text, I will need open composition link, choose this text layer and type my text. Same here, control layer. And here I will have all controllers which help me customize that link. Same here you will have that red cross which help you move that element around the composition. So just choose the third cross and move it where you would like to use that animation. In folder social network you will have social network composition and you can add your logo. So I would like you that one, that's social network number 3. Just choose that composition, drag and drop to my timeline. Same here, I can change duration if I need. To change color and add your logo, I will need open that social network. Inside that composition, I will have control layer, which help me to change colors. Here I will have text layer, which help me to change my text. I will have this red cross, which help me to move that element inside that composition. So for example, I would like move it somewhere here. And change scale if I need. To edit that logo, I will need open your logo composition, then choose placeholder for logo. You will have some popular logo. For example, you can use phone or web or just add your own logo. Just drag and drop your logo inside that composition and then you can see how your logo appear. That's all. I hope you enjoyed that project. Have a nice day.